sound switcheroo. Dibble hip, dibble jip, do is do is do.
3. I'm trying to rest.
And 4. I'm trying to make noises while jumping. So let me continue. Do-dee do-dee do-do-do jip hip kip jip. Nibble jumble top rip jip.
How about this? If you want to continue making your noises and jumping, how about you make one noise and only jump once at a time?
Okay, I bet I could. Jip. Jip.
Much better.
Jip. This isn't very fun and entertaining like you intended it to. I'm going back to doing what I do best. Rumble bumble jip hip rip blabble glop goo gab gullibish.
3. Please stop. I really just want to rest, but you're making it so hard for me.
But you're making it so hard for me to play by bossing me around. Was that the alarm?
I don't know, but let's go check it out with 5 and 6.
Hi, 5 and 6. Was that the alarm, by the way?
Yes, it was. Something has gone wrong with the sound of it. Oh well, the point is agents were calling in.
Okay, I'm putting it on screen.
Hi, Numberjacks. There is a problem with your alarm.
Yeah, we noticed it. Sounds like a duck.
But then look at the ducks by the pond.
Oh no, this could be bad.
Oh no, the ducks sound like the alarm. They've swapped sounds.
So will you send someone out?
Of course we will.
Look, another agent is calling in.
Hi, Numbers. Look at the alarm clock in the bedroom.
Okay, Shuriken Agent 3. Whoa, that's really odd. Why are the sounds changing?
Now look at the cat.
Oh no, poor kitty.
Which meanie would do such a thing?
Will you send someone out?
We'll send someone right away. So who should we send out?
Oh, hi Zero.
Hello.
Anyway, I think I've rested for a bit and I'm ready for some exercise, so I'll go out.
Okay, 4 is going out. Get ready for lunch.
Problem, what should we do? Who's going out there? Who do we choose? We got a problem to solve. Who's going out there?
Number 4.
Okay, let's look for a fort to land on. Okay, we're looking for a fort to land on.
There's one.
Whoa just landed. Okay, let's go look for those ducks. Poor duckies.
Or do you know which meanie is doing this?
I think you guys should take a look.
Oh no, it's the problem Blob.
Give me some info on him.
If you spot a blob of slime, guess what? Big slob can buy. Great, big and blubbery. Great big trouble, who's the Blob.
Oh no, he's escaped. Give me some brain gain to fix these ducks.
Change back the sounds. Change back the sounds. Sending brain gain now for.
Okay, the ducks are back to normal, but now I have an alarm clock to fix. Send me some brain gain. That's much better. Now, let's go fix that kitty. Send me some brain gain. Okay, now let's go look for that silly blob. Where is that blob?
4. Look all the way behind you.
What?
Oh no, for we'll make random noises.
We need to have an emergency launch, but which number?
Oh, I know who should go out. 0. Then 0 can say 0 random noises and 0 problem blob.
Okay, then it's settled. 0 is going out, so get ready for an emergency launch.
I'm ready to launch. I'm here to help you 4. 0 random noises.
Whoa, thanks a lot, Jiro, you saved me, because there is no way that I'm going to be a dog.
Now 0 problem blob.
Great job, Jiro, on getting rid of the blob and, most importantly, saving me.
That's okay. But can we go home now because I'm exhausted?
Great job 4 and 0 for defeating that silly old blob.
That's okay, but I need some sleep.